Okay, and we're back for our second topic. Again, I have the first topic, which is the first part under the basic formula. Now, if you wanted to know more about the basic formula, I have a separate video tutorial on how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide some cells on your Microsoft Excel or on your Google Sheet. So all you need to do is to browse or to look for the video on this playlist and watch it. Okay, so for this session, we are going to have part 2, which is the relative reference. Ang relative reference po natin ay may sign or symbol na dollar sign. So, para saan ba si relative reference? So, ito po ay ginagamit natin para hindi magbago o para hindi gumalaw yung cell sa certain formula. For example, here, we wanted to add 2 and 45. So, obviously, ang gagamitin natin is equal sign, click natin si 2, plus, click natin si 45, enter, and there you go. You have your answer. Now, we used to, to do this, drag and fill out or fill in, and there you go. Pero ang problem is, kapag fill in natin siya o kapag dinrag lang natin, makikita natin na yung formula niya ay gumagalaw. No? So, kung ang row mo ay dito, kukuhanin niya yung given for that row. Kung ang row mo ay nasa third row, ang kukuhanin niya is nasa third row, which is, nawawala na yung given mo. Ang tanong, what if ang gusto mong i-add ay 2 and 45, 2 and 23, you wanted to add 2 and 10, 2 and 78, 2 and 52, 2 and 10, paano mo siya gagawin? Do you have to do it manually? That is why we need the dollar sign or what we call the relative reference. So, how are we gonna do that? We just have to delete it first. Puntahan natin yung unang cell, which is the 47. Okay, nandyan yung ating formula. Si 47, we have this formula, E5 plus F5. So, aalamin natin, alin bang symbol or aling cell ang ayaw mong gumalaw. So, obviously, that is E5, si 2. So, para po tayo ay makagawa ng relative reference, maglalagay tayo ng dollar sign before and after the alphabet or the letter. So, ang letter dito ay E. So, maglalagay tayo ng dollar sign before E and dollar sign after E. And then enter. Walang nabago, pero makikita mo ang pagbabago if you are going to drag it and have the answer for the whole column. So, we have 2 plus 45, we have 47. Tignan natin. Ayun. 2 plus 23 is we have 25. 2 plus 10 is equal 12. 2 plus 78 is 80, and so on. So, nandyan mga kaibigan, kung ano ang tinatawag natin na relative reference at kung ano ang kanyang use. Now, if you wanted to know more about the VLOOKUP, you need to watch the next video after this. Thank you!